Oh, what's going on, everyone? It's Vic from the Stump Shop, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how I made this. It's a custom-made bur oak stump crayon side table. Say that 10 times fast. But anyways, I'll show you guys the whole process, so let's get started. The first step was to make sure that the wood is dry, and this bur oak log has been drying for over 3 years, so it was ready to go. I moved the piece over to my CNC. I used the Onefinity X35, and I used that to level out the piece. And then I also used the CNC to cut out the, I guess you can call that a bowl that I was going to put the crayons in. This piece also had a crack, so I stuffed that full of crayons too. Covered that in epoxy. Then I sanded that down, and what I wanted to do was layer the crayons. So I did the first layer with a little bit of epoxy because I didn't want the crayons to float. And once that hardened, I then poured the actual layer of epoxy that covers the crayons. Otherwise, if you were to pour the epoxy all at once, the crayons would float all over, out of place. And this way, boom, once that was rock hard, I added the next layer. And you can see this gives it that like floating effect. So I used a deep pour epoxy from Rust-Oleum, and this dries crystal clear, bubble free. You just have to make sure it's level so the epoxy doesn't leak out. And then there you go. This, I think, turned out awesome. Originally, I made it to sell and then donate the money to charity, which I still fully intend to do, except I haven't sold it yet. I still have it. But the only thing left to do now is to add some nice colorful legs and to brand it, obviously, because branding is life. You got to brand everything you sell. And then I also painted the legs some cool colors, the primary colors, to kind of complement the colors of the crayons. And that's how that worked out. All right, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. I think that turned out pretty awesome. My original intent was either for a kid's room or for a teacher's classroom. I still have it. I haven't sold it yet, but when I do, every penny of profit will go to a school donation. So thanks for watching the video, guys. And if you like the channel and the kinds of videos I'm making, please subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon. Ciao.